Hello, my name is David Mazzola with Johnson Ford here in New Richmond, Wisconsin. Today I'm bringing you a 2021 Ram 1500 Classic. This only has 27,800 miles on it. It is powered by the 3.6 liter engine. You can find all the details and more photos of it online at johnsonmotors.com. It is stock number 917748. Or simply give me a call at 715-246-3673. Again, my name is David Mazzola. This is a super clean truck. Low miles, great financing being that it's a newer vehicle. Again, it already went through our certified shop, so all you have to do is stop in, test drive it, make sure it works for you. We'll get the paperwork ready with the local bank and get you on your way.